Hello guys, so today I will be sharing with you my top 5 two-tone Pandora charms. So let us begin with my um, pre-love charm, and this is the Desert Star charm. I got this pre-love last year from an online seller from Australia. So I love this charm because I find this unique. But the first time I got this, I kept on brushing on this part because I didn't know that this one is an oxidized charm. So I kept on brushing this part, and then it's not getting any whiter. So I made a research and I found out that this one is an oxidized charm. So then let's talk about the details of this charm. So this um, has dots all around the cubic zirconia, and looking closer at this charm, you will see that 5 of the dots are 14K gold. So these are the dots that are in the 14K gold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then it has the same detail as on the other side. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 dots, and 5 of them, these are in the yellow gold, 14K gold. So that's it. I forgot how much I was able to purchase this. And then the other one is a clip. So this clip is so special because of the inscription. I love the inscription. On the top it says family, and the bottom is love. It has a hole on the center, and then this outline is made of 14K yellow gold. The other side has the same inscription, family and love, but it's not, the heart shape here is not made of 14K gold. So now let's move on to the next charm. This one is a Christmas tree charm detailed with CZs in clear, green, and pink colors. And then the star on top of the Christmas tree is a 14K yellow gold. Okay, now let's move on to the next charm. So this is my open bangle. Let us remove the 2 other charms that I would like to share with you. And these are, of course, this is the angel, and then the halo is made of 14K yellow gold. This is how it looks like. I am planning to include this in my Christmas themed bangle. And then the other one, this one has 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3. This is the only heart that is 14K gold. It's the same as the other side. And then all around this charm is made of is detailed with clear CZs. So that's it. So I hope you watch my other videos about my Pandora charms and bracelets, and I will have another video which is about my Christmas themed bangle very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.